In this video, I am going to explain how to do video verification with Care4Sign. Once we enroll the digital signature with Care4Sign, you will get a enrollment confirmation from the Care4Sign. This is the information. It supports only Android mobiles. It won't support for iPhone. You just click here to video verification button, and it will redirect to next page. Click on start recording option and read this sentence. My name is Rajesh HB and I want to apply for a DSC through Care4Sign. The code is 166. Once you recorded the video, you just cross verify that your audio and video is clear. You just click play video recording option and read this sentence. My name is Rajesh HB and I want to apply for a DSC through Care4Sign. The code is 166. After audio and video is perfect, you can submit to the department. Thank you for watching this video.